So what I have here is the Kodak Easyshare camera. It is red. It's got the smart capture image stabilization. It had HD stills and video, so it does record on video. This is 10 megapixels. This is red, as you can see here. Here is the back of the screen. You can see how all around. To turn it on, just hold down the power button. Once you turn that on, you can see the lens just pop right out. Really easy. You can do the time and date if you want to, or you can just bypass that, whatever. You can just see here how large that screen is. Really super large. You can see my hand. Beautiful color, so you can zoom in, zoom out. It has a nice flash. Everything works really well on this camera. You can see here. I'll show you. See how it zooms in and zooms out. Very easy. And then just to power it down, hold down that button again. You'll see that will retract and go away just like that, and power down. Super easy to use, and this is where the battery goes, and this is where the card goes for your recording, your little micro card. And the battery goes right here. So the battery slides in, slides out, real easy. The door is easy to access and super compact, and you can see fits in the palm of my hand. Has a little strap on it. Definitely highly recommend. Nice little camera, good quality.